How to log into your Westpac Bank. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can log into your Westpac Bank. So to do that, first of all, go to any web browser of your preference and in the web address bar, simply type in Westpac Bank. After that, tap on the first link, which is westpac.com.au. Now you will be taken to the official homepage of Westpac Bank, where in order to log in, you'll have to tap on the option sign in on the top right corner of your screen. After that, you will be taken to this page where you'll have to enter your customer ID, your password, and once you tap on the option sign in, you'll have successfully signed in or logged in to your Westpac Bank's online banking account. But in any case, if you forgot your customer ID or your password, you can simply reset it by tapping the option forgot customer ID or password, and once you've reset or recovered them, you can simply use the credentials and log into your account. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.